Yo folks, welcome back to the channel. And today we're unboxing and reviewing Razer DeathAdder V2 HyperSpeed, Razer's iconic ergonomic gaming mouse, now with true wireless freedom. Cause who needs cables when you're trying to clutch the wind? Inside we get the DeathAdder V2, paperwork and plot twist, no charging cable since it runs on AA or AAA batteries. The design is classic, ergonomic, right-handed and marathon ready. Plug in the dongle, flip the switch and go straight to shooting. HyperSpeed Wireless delivers ultra-low latency, a switch to Bluetooth for travel and save a USB port. Specs:
14,000 dpi optical sensor, 300 max IPS speed,
35G acceleration, plenty for fast clicks and pinpoint aim, 7 programmable buttons, and Razer mechanical Gen 2 switches rated for 60 million clicks. You want to know about battery life? Up to 235 hours or 615 hours on a single AA battery. If you want it lighter, you can always use a AAA battery. Let's talk about its onboard memory profile. You can be ready to compare anywhere with your custom keybinds, DPI settings. Thanks to Razer HyperShift, double the inputs, all saved directly on the mouse itself. No software needed. Comfort? It fits like a glove for right-handed palm and claw grip users. Just note that no rubber side grips like older models. Tracking is smooth, click latency is stellar, and it glides on undyed PTFE feet. Compared to the white DeathAdder V2, you lose RGB and side grips, but gain true wireless freedom, dual mode connectivity, and battery flexibility. The DeathAdder V2 HyperSpeed cuts the cord but keeps the legendary comfort and performance. Plus, you'll never have to wait for a recharge. No RGB, but plenty of gain. So if you miss a shot, you cannot blame this mouse. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting reviews on gaming peripherals. See you again soon.